Yo, yo, yo. I'm trying to figure out something. Hold up. All right, so we got 500 on here right now. 500 people. I'm trying to wait it out a little bit. Gotta big up the Jamaican flags too, you know. I gotta pin this. Boom. Hold up. Let's wait until some more people get on here real quick. Who's excited for it? Who's ready for it? Who's ready for it? Who's ready to win $2,000? Ready? Okay. All right, let's wait until some more people get on here real quick. We're at 600. Raul, what up? Chen's, come. Show your flags. One person or you're breaking it up? I'm not too sure yet. Let's figure it out. Let's figure something out, you know? It could be two people, $1,000 each. I just want to make it something that actually benefits them, you know what I'm saying? I don't want to split it up 10 ways. You know, it's not going to really benefit too much, you know? 611. Okay, the Haitian flag. Colombian flag, Haitian flag. There's a lot of people from Africa here, though. Honestly, why not $2,000 for two people? Split 2,000. Not sure. Let's see. You guys already know. Whenever it comes to my type of contest, it's always. More can come out of it, you know? Junction, St. Elizabeth, that's hometown. All right, once we hit 700, we're gonna talk about this. All right. Where is this fucking thing? Almost at 700. 686. Pierre, what's up? Shout out to Sweden, Dominican Republic. All right, 700. All right. Let's get things started. You know what I'm saying? But I want everybody to clap it up. I'm gonna do a different kind of clap because I want y'all to actually, you know, take advantage of this opportunity. So what I got here is $20,000. This is what we're clapping with her right now. All right, we gotta clap this shit up because that's the kind of time that we're in, like right now. You know what I'm saying? I want everybody to actually be open to the opportunity. I want everybody to really put a lot of thought into the opportunity, but at the same time, I don't know who could win. You know what I'm saying? So let's clap it up. It's kind of clapping that we're doing all 2020. All right. So the contest is gonna be for $2,000, right? But I was like, you know what? Would you guys be open with $2,000 to one person or $2,000 split between two people? Ralph, what's good? What's good? $1,000 each. All right. How about this? I'm not too sure if y'all are gonna be open with it. You know what I'm saying? So everybody's saying two people, right? So what I'm gonna do is this. I'm about to up the contest. I'm giving away $4,000. I'm giving away $4,000, and we're gonna split it between four people. How about that? $4,000. I'm giving away $4,000 to each to four people. So $1,000 to each person. So it's gonna be technically four winners, $1,000 each. So like, what do you guys think about that? If you like it, put a thumbs up. If you like it, put a thumbs up. $1,000 to four people. Give me the thumbs up. I need thumbs up. I need a thumbs up. I need a thumbs up. It's not locked in unless I get some thumbs up. Remember, it's 845 people on here. I better see at least 200 thumbs ups. So, thumbs. I need at least 200 thumbs up to lock in this deal. You have an opportunity, $4,000. I'm giving away 4,000 smackaroos. Okay? All right, so this is going to be it. So $4,000, $1,000 to four people. The contest is this. So as you guys know, I'm really, I talk about it all the time. I'm really big on my brand itself, Forever in Profit. It's more than just a brand. It's a lifestyle. It's a mentality. It's just a way on how you actually operate in your everyday life. You know what I'm saying? This is what this symbol means. This bull, SCY, I have it tatted. You know what I'm saying? It means a lot and more. You know, but at the same time, if you even just listen to the name, Forever in Profit, it pretty much just says a lot more than what it sounds like. You know what I'm saying? It's a lot of meaning behind it. It's a lot of blood, sweat, and tears behind it also. And those people that actually been around since the brand started back in 2015 April, they already know, like, you know, the ups and downs and everything that the brand actually brought out. You know, how many people the brand helped over the years and that kind of stuff. Like, there's a lot that's going on between the fucking brand. You know what I'm saying? So the contest is this. What does the brand mean to you? That's the biggest thing, right? What does the Forever in Profit brand means to you? It could be current students, it could be past students, it doesn't matter. You know what I'm saying? If you benefited in any kind of way from Forever in Profit brand, meaning Forever in Profit, meaning Wall Street Academy, meaning Technical Prosperity, meaning Profits for Life, all those brands are, well, and also Drew C. Banks, Boston with Drew as well. All those brands are under Forever in Profit. You know what I'm saying? So what does this brand mean to you? You know what I'm saying? How did it change your life? How did it impact you to start thinking differently, investing differently, everything? How did this brand impact you in any kind of fucking way? That's why, like, whenever I have my hats, the hats, they sell out very, very fast. But at the same time, people that's wearing the hats, they pretty much understand, like, what this logo means, what it represents. And if two people actually is wearing the hat in like one circle, and they pretty much know that the person that's wearing this hat right here is onto something. You know what I'm saying? They're definitely onto something. They're definitely not like they're part of that 1% or something like that. Like they think like the 1%. The empowerment, the motivation behind it, it's all there. You know what I'm saying? So what I'm gonna do is this. I'm gonna post a logo. I'm gonna post a logo of the Forever Profit Bull, and I'm gonna have all of the brands that's behind the Forever Profit as well. All right, so it's gonna be, the first photo is gonna be the Forever Profit Bull. The second logo is gonna be Wall Street Academy. The third logo, Profits for Life. The fourth logo, Technical Prosperity. The fifth logo, Bossing Up with Drew. How did this brand help you in any kind of way? So what I'm gonna do is just make that post, and I want you guys to comment, your statement, or like, your thoughts, or like your testimonial, or anything like that. Put that in the comments, and I'm gonna read everything over. I'm gonna pick 4 people from that to win this $1,000. You know what I'm saying? But at the same time, like I said, like I don't mind giving away for $2,000 more. I'll make it back. You know what I'm saying? I'm actually up like $2,500 like right now too. So I already pretty much made that money back that I'm willing to give away. You know what I'm saying? So I'm okay with that. So what we're doing is giving away $4,000 Bitcoin, and I want y'all to actually benefit from this opportunity as much as possible. But at the same time, I want you guys to actually, dig deep down to understand, like, what this brand really, really means, and how it impacted the industry. But I feel like Forever Profit brand, it did impact the trading niche. You know what I'm saying? It definitely did. It brought out a lot of beasts. It brought out a lot of entrepreneurs. It brought out a lot of people. You know what I'm saying? So that's what we're going to be doing for this contest. And yeah, so like whatever you guys want to do with that money, it's on you. The coupon code is still active, like I stated. And yeah, just win this fucking money, man. You know what I'm saying? So that's what we're gonna be doing. I'm gonna post all the brands like right now. Well, probably by like 12:30. I'm gonna have the post on my Instagram page. Comment your statement, and we'll go from there. You know what I'm saying? But definitely, this is gonna be very, very heartfelt. I've never did anything like this to kind of like really, really understand like how the brand actually impacted every single part of this damn niche. So it's gonna be cool to see this, because at the same time, like, there's some people from Emil's group, there's some people from Ryan's group, there's some people from Drew's group, you know what I'm saying? And there's some people from my group, but also they're still all a part of the Forever Profit brand. So that's what we're gonna be doing. So check on my posts by 12:30. I'm gonna make the post. The story is gonna be saved also on my IGTV. So if you wanna watch it back, that's perfectly fine. And we're gonna go from there. All right. So thanks everybody for coming on. Can't wait to see these testimonials. Can't wait to see how this brand has impacted you in any kind of way. So let's get it, man. You know what I'm saying? So once again, let's clap it up. Like I said, this is how we're clapping all fucking 2020, all 2020. Clap, 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 clap. All right, so I'm gonna holler at y'all. Peace out. Check out the post, and yeah, let's get it, man. I can't wait. I really can't wait. I'm super excited to see how this plays out right here. Yeah, so peace out.